Camping chairs are no longer just basic outdoor seats. They've become comfort essentials for campers, tailgaters, remote workers, and even typists and gamers who enjoy long sessions outdoors or on patios. As demand grows for portable yet ergonomic seating, this guide evaluates the best Coleman camping chairs based on build quality. Product number 1. Coleman Portable Quad Camp Chair. The Coleman Portable Quad Camp Chair is one of the brand's most popular and versatile options, designed for campers who want comfort without complexity. Its classic quad fold design uses a sturdy steel frame that feels stable on uneven ground, making it ideal for campgrounds, fishing spots, and outdoor events. The wide seat and relaxed back angle provide excellent support for extended sitting, whether you're chatting around the fire or typing on a laptop outdoors. Comfort is enhanced with lightly padded armrests and a breathable polyester fabric that resists sagging over time. One of its standout features is the built-in cup holder, which keeps drinks within easy reach. While simple, this feature adds real convenience during long evenings outside. The chair folds down easily and fits into the included carry bag, making transport and storage hassle-free. In terms of durability, the steel frame holds up well under regular use and supports a generous weight capacity suitable for most adults. Although it lacks premium extras like lumbar padding or cooling mesh, it delivers dependable performance at an affordable price point. For campers, casual gamers, or outdoor typists looking for a reliable all-around chair, the Coleman Portable Quad Camp Chair offers excellent value and time-tested comfort. Product number 2. Coleman Broadband Mesh Quad Camp Chair. The Coleman Broadband Mesh Quad Camp Chair is designed for hot weather comfort and breathability. Its defining feature is the mesh back panel, which allows airflow to keep your back cool during summer camping trips, beach outings, or outdoor work sessions. This makes it especially appealing for users who sit for long periods, such as gamers or writers working outdoors. The chair combines a strong steel frame with durable polyester fabric, offering a solid balance between sturdiness and comfort. The seat is slightly contoured, providing better posture support than basic flat chairs. Potted armrests add to the overall comfort, while the integrated cup holder ensures convenience during extended use. Portability is another strong point. The chair folds smoothly and fits into a compact carry bag, making it easy to transport to campsites, parks, or sporting events. While the mesh back improves ventilation, the seat remains supportive and doesn't feel flimsy even after prolonged sitting. Product number 3. Coleman Outpost Elite Folding Camp Chair. The Coleman Outpost Elite Folding Camp Chair stands out for its enhanced durability and premium feel. Built with a robust steel frame and reinforced fabric, this chair is designed to handle heavier use while maintaining comfort. It's an excellent option for campers who want a sturdier chair for frequent trips or extended outdoor sessions. One of its key strengths is stability. The wide base and solid construction minimize wobbling, even on uneven terrain. The seat height and upright backrest promote a more natural sitting posture, making it suitable for tasks like eating, reading, or typing outdoors. Padded armrests provide additional comfort and reduce pressure on the arms during long periods of use. The Outpost Elite folds flat rather than into a traditional quad shape, which some users find easier to store in vehicles. While it may not pack down as compactly as lighter chairs, the trade-off is superior strength and longevity. The fabric resists wear and stretching, ensuring consistent support over time. Product number 4. Coleman Big and Tall Quad Chair. The Coleman Big and Tall Quad Chair is specifically designed for larger and taller users who need extra space and support. Featuring an oversized seat and reinforced steel frame, this chair offers exceptional comfort without feeling cramped. The higher seat height also makes it easier to sit down and stand up, which is a major advantage for taller individuals. Comfort is a major highlight. The wide seat, generous backrest, and padded armrests create a relaxed seating experience ideal for long campfire nights or extended outdoor gaming sessions. Despite its size, the chair remains well-balanced and stable on various surfaces. The Big and Tall quad chair includes practical features like a large cup holder and durable polyester fabric that resists tearing and sagging. It folds down into a carry bag, though it's bulkier than standard chairs due to its larger dimensions. Portability is still manageable, especially considering the comfort benefits it provides. Product number 5. Coleman Portable Aluminum Camp Chair. The Coleman Portable Aluminum Camp Chair is a lightweight and practical option for campers who prioritize portability. Its aluminum frame significantly reduces weight compared to steel chairs, making it ideal for backpacking-style camping, travel, or quick outdoor setups. Despite being lightweight, the frame remains sturdy and reliable. The chair features a simple, functional design with a supportive seat and backrest that offers surprising comfort for its size. While it doesn't have thick padding, the ergonomic shape provides adequate support for casual sitting, light work, or short gaming sessions outdoors. Armrests add to the comfort without increasing bulk. One of the biggest advantages of this chair is its compact fold. It's easy to carry, store, and transport, fitting well in small car trunks or camping gear kits. The aluminum construction also resists rust, making it suitable for coastal or humid environments.